here for all your questions. If you have any, kindly raise your hand or you can type it in the chat box.
Hello. Hello.
Yes. I can hear you.
Hello, sir. Actually, I am currently engaging in manufacturing industry, and I want to hike in my career, but still I would not reach some hike in my career, and there's something I want to learn new skills, which can be really beneficial for in my career, or something something too special uh, uh, to enhance my skills to get a good job.
Okay, so when I talk about skills as such, there are two ways.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please continue.
Yeah, please, sir.
Okay, so what I'm saying is, like
Yeah.
you are in a business development role, right? And if you want to continue that same line, then what you can do is you can go for some online certification courses which are about business development. What you can do is you can even learn some how to use technology in that aspect. If you can learn softwares like SAP, you can learn something like how you can use AI here, and maybe depending on what kind of manufacturing industry you're in, you can understand if there are any particular software which is required, or if you want to change your field altogether, you can go for certification course or a diploma course as such. Because for skills, there are two ways to learn, right? You can do any course which is required depending on your interest.
SAP software is essential for every manufacturing industry, and there are some also. IM is also providing the courses for online learning platform courses where we enhance our skills. So IM courses is also beneficial for our career.
Yes. I mean, any kind of online course which you do, like from a reputed institution, would add value to your resume. It's just that you need to justify it when you are in an interview that, okay, you're actually interested and you're actually wanting to do it practically. That's it. You need to justify it well. That is it. Any course which you do from a reputed organization would always be a value addition on a resume. It's just that if you have interest, pursue it, and then you will definitely have advantage.
Online courses like Coursera and these types of learning platforms like Coursera, and there is
Udemy is
new,
there.
Udemy.
Just make sure that whatever course you do, at least go through the curriculum first, go through the faculty, because not all the courses on these platforms are equally good, right? You need to see that who is providing, which is the education institution behind this. Particularly on Udemy, you need to be very careful before you invest anything, right? And even on Coursera, there are different universities across the globe which who provide these courses. There are foreign universities as well. There is Google, IBM. There are companies who provide courses. So go through the curriculum first, and then understand whether a course is actually valuable for you or not, because there are thousands of courses online. So just don't do anything randomly. Follow your interest and see if it actually benefits.